Good afternoon, good evening, students.
Good evening, sir.
How is everyone?
Fine, sir. Eagerly waiting for this moment, sir.
I'm sorry. I hope I think you're able to see the PPT, right?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Great. So let me project to my TV so I can see all of you. Display. Resume share. Your family, feel free to invite. They can join with you. They can sit behind you. So let them share and congratulate you on this occasion. Most of you are not aware of exactly what is a graduation ceremony. So graduation ceremony is done not just for the degree postgraduates or PhD holders. So it is the occasion to celebrate your hard work. Okay. So feel free to celebrate because you deserve. I know I invited some of my friends too, some of my families, and so let's give a few moments to just brush up what we did for the last 6 weeks. So I would like you to, someone to just start speaking up. So instead of just keeping quiet. So anyone is open, just share your experience with this. I know we have videos, no doubt, but this is one-on-one. So anyone can go unmute and share your experience, please. I will stop share. I think you are able to see me. So hi, Pranita, Sai, Darsi
Hi, sir.
Chandrasekhar.
Hi,
We
sir.
have Snehita. Nice.
Hello.
So please show. Yeah. We have Serena, and we have Nikhila. So this is the time to make a contact. So if you see me, my photo on LinkedIn, able to identify. But for me, it may be difficult to identify as we go on. We have more than 75 students, but still, so our memory is so sharp, right? So we can identify even in our subconscious mind. Okay, nice. So we have Galaxy. Someone is here, Galaxy. We have Pravista Sai Teja.
Hi, sir.
Vijay Dikonda. Always I say Devarakonda. Yeah, he looks like him. We have Rasul. We have Venkat Sai. Akhil. Okay, Venkat Sai. Nitish Kumar. Hi, Nitish. Looks like you're studying so hard, huh?
Yes, sir.
Yeah.
He's very tough.
Yeah. So we have Chintalapudi Sai. Nice. I know this is the time for you to show up. I see many here. Sai Amruta, Sonu, Sonish, Arifa. Please show up. Okay. So we have to do this live. For last 4 months, I was teaching from home for my university. So even I was conducting many interviews, many discussions. So this is the life now, everywhere, across the world. Across the world, now we are talking to the computers. So this is the life. In fact, I was talking to many space engineers for last 1 week, was very busy. Everywhere, same situation. So we have to get used to it. Even my daughter works from home, same situation. So I think this will become a somewhat a norm, a practice for most of us to interact with right computer online. Okay, so get used to it, right? So you need to have
Yes,
a
sir.
home office. And unfortunately, fortunately. Okay. I don't see any of your parents here. Okay.
Hello, sir. Good
Yeah.
evening, sir. Good evening.
Good evening. Now, I know some of you have not sent the videos. I don't want to embarrass you, but anyway, please do send. Right? They are required. They are required. So, but if we have some very good videos made by, I think, a lot of Enthu guys and girls. It's really amazing. It's really amazing. I know this is your a new experience for, but this is one of the way you test your skills, right? The moment you first went on your camera and start talking, so you are words, right? You don't have words to speak, right? It happens to everyone. So don't think it is only new to you. No, it happens to everyone. So this is the only way you practice, right? You practice. So you have 2, 3, 4 years to do, mastery in this. Nothing is right impossible. As a team, now we have teams. You can keep continuing these teams even for our level 2, level 3, level 4. So that makes you more presentable. So don't feel shy when you have to present. This is very, very important for engineers. You have to sell your idea, right? Before you sell, you have to buy your idea. If you don't buy, no one will buy, right?
Yes, sir.
So first you buy your idea, then try to sell your idea. I know it's very difficult to practice because you need the environment, right? You need friends and family to encourage you. So keep them driving so that they can encourage you. Now we have about 63 now students. So what we are going to do, we are going to, I'm going to play the videos one by one, and we are going to have a poll. Okay, every one of you going to poll. So this is where the professional comes into picture. So just don't poll because he is your friend. Okay. So what did we learn? Engineers, intentionally, unintentionally we do harm, right? If you feel this project is intentionally, harm or unintentionally harming, right? And it has expected problems or unexpected. So don't vote because he is your friend. So keep in mind the society, okay? And this is one of the practice for you to vote for the best. Even if you feel the other project is best, nothing wrong. You can vote for them. Okay, we can learn much from other works. That is the reason we have patent system, we have trademark system, we have journals. Because why? Because the knowledge to be shared among everyone. Before the Oxford University, I don't know whether you are aware, in 1800s, everyone used to keep the secrets of family. So in Europe, when industrial revolution is happening, every family, they used to keep the secrets, family secrets. So their family name used to be their profession, like in India, like even in India. But after 1820, 30, after the Oxford University, so they started patenting. That was the first time the knowledge is shared. And the knowledge shared, so it has become exponential. Till then, it did not. So let's start from. So who wants to go first? Or shall I pick up?
Team Y.
Team Y? Okay. Let me go and give me a sec. Okay. Now I'm going to share the screen. Let me see how the noise is going to come. Share screen. Okay, share screen. Okay.
Hi everyone, I am Nitish Kumar and I belong to Team A. First of all, I am very grateful to Abdulavi sir for giving me this valuable platform to embellish and ameliorate my EdScons skills of leadership qualities. And we, Team A, did a mini project on fingerprint authentication for the personalized chats by taking security as a...
My name is Rasul and our project is about the modification of WhatsApp Messenger. It is about a modification to enlarge the personalized charts in Messenger.
Hi everyone, I am Abdullah. We started learning about the fingerprint authentication by going through some research papers.
Hi everyone, I am Preeti. While going through some technical articles, we came to understand that WhatsApp is an assembled XMPP server which can facilitate instant messages transfer between two or more many real-time bases.
Hi everyone, I am Nitish Kumar and I belong to Team A. First of all, I am very grateful to Abdulavi sir for giving me this valuable platform to embellish and ameliorate my EdScons skills of leadership qualities. And we, Team A, did a mini project on fingerprint authentication for the personalized chats by taking security as a...
My name is Rasul and our project is about the modification of WhatsApp Messenger. It is about a modification to enlarge the personalized charts in Messenger.
Hi everyone, I am Abdullah. We started learning about the fingerprint authentication by going through some research papers.
Hi everyone, I am Preeti. While going through some technical articles, we came to understand that WhatsApp is an assembled XMPP server which can facilitate instant messages transfer between two or more many real-time bases.
Hello, I am Shish Kumar, pursuing BE second year from Chaitanya Bharati Institute of Technology.
I am Shivkumar Reddy Devasani of BTech second year in Mechanical Engineering from VNR Vignan Jyoti Institute of Engineering and Technology.
I am Soni, pursuing BTech third year in Malareddy College of Engineering for Women.
I am V. Sudeshna of BTech second year of VNR Vijay IIT College.
We are Team AA. We have done a digital internship on Industry 4.0 in Hunar Engineering School for Employability under the guidance of Mr. Abdul Wali Sayed sir.
We have gone through career goal setting, analysis of products, analysis of societal engineering, determining the employability skills.
Have done a mini project in the field of artificial intelligence in agriculture and have developed a concept and given a presentation along with a poster.
Our project focuses on the challenges of traditional farming that need to address by artificial intelligence, which deals with the pest and disease control,
Weed detection and efficient use of pesticide and fertilizers by using a single machine learning model, and that should be efficiently used irrespective of the crop and location.
And our suggested solution includes a CNN model along with the technique known as stacking.
A drone can be used to gather the information over the field, and this is fed into the machine learning model. With the help of the output of the machine learning model, pesticides and fertilizers are used only in a required amount in an efficient way, avoiding the excess usage.
We are very thankful to Mr. Abdul Wali sir and Hunar platform for giving this opportunity.
We are also very thankful to all the industrial experts who guided us throughout the internship.
and we have a great experience with the
Hunar taught us the way of choosing a career, the way of doing a project, and the way of proceeding in a right path.
We take this opportunity to thank the Hunar for guiding.
Thank you, Hunar.
Hi, this is Pardal from SVZ Chittoor. In this, many mentors said many things to overcome the unemployability. I am very thankful to Dr. Abdul Wali sir for organizing this. Thank you, Hunar.
This is Adarsh. I have pursued mechanical engineer in Hindustan College, and I am from Team C. We are of 3 members. So, as our Abdul Wali sir told to find a problem statement, we have found a problem in fuel combustion cars, and our solution is a solar roof on a fuel combustion cars. So this will reduce combustion of fuel like nearly 30%. And this is my solution, keeping a solar plate on a fuel combustion car. And I had a very great time with Hunar, and thank you.
Okay, just played A, double A, and C, right? So you can see various differences, right? So someone got some time, but some they did not have the time, right? So it shows the clear difference. Nothing to worry, right? This is just the beginning. This is not the end, right? The reason why we are having here, because we are trying to learn from each one. There is one good point maybe from A, another good point from A, another good point from C, because you are say in second year, third year. So this is a great opportunity for you. So don't feel that, I could not make this. No. This is your learning. Okay. So this is the first step for learning. So don't feel, little bit, upset about this. Don't worry. Okay. And this is the learning you are going to learn from each other. So that is the reason we have this kind of competitions and kind of presentations, so that you can learn from each other and become better. Okay. A, B, C. So let's go to other one. I think I don't have. So let me share E.
Hello guys, welcome back. This is Anusha from VNR VJIT. The project done as a part of Hunar internship under the guidance of our coach Mr. Abdul Wali. By collaborating it with my co-partners Muhammad Afan and Shivaratri Harish.
Introducing you with the ultra premium brake pads performances after having a microscopic case study on the problems faced by the brake pads nowadays, like wear, noise, lots of dust produced due to wear.
We came up with this solution after having a literature review to make titanium aluminum carbide brake pads which possesses excellent properties. These brake pads are manufactured by this hot opposing method which give overall better performance.
I thoroughly enjoyed this unique internship and I got lot of experience and skills which required to become successful in my career, and I gained a lot of knowledge through professional webinars.
I'm
very happy being a part of this junior internship. I gained a more knowledge by listening the valuable wisdom from Abdul Wali sir and the professionals from different sectors. I learned how to do research on a preferred topic, and it is a good platform for the students to put out their creative ideas and to build their career.
Coming back to the precision of HUNAR, I have a very distinctive and confidential experience which makes us reveal the hidden skills inside us and helps to applicate the engineering knowledge in real life applications, and especially the sessions with the professionals.
Sir, can you share the video screen, sir?
And igniting.
Sir, video is not visible, sir.
Final thanks to our coach for making us win and
Video is not visible, sir.
Excuse me, sir, we are unable to see the video.
Yes, sir. Video is not
Sir, we
visible,
are
sir.
unable to see the video, sir.
Let me share again, okay?
Yes, sir.
Hello guys, welcome back.
Can you see
This is
now?
Anusha from VNR VJIT. The
Yes, sir.
project
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Visible.
Yes, sir.
under the guidance of our
you.
coach
Thank you for the
Mr.
video.
Abdul Wali.
So please
By
make a note.
collaborating it with my
The
co-partners
team number,
Ahmad
okay?
Afan and Shivaratri Harish.
Introducing you with the ultra premium brake pads performances after having a microscopic case study on the problems faced by the brake pads nowadays, like wear, noise, lots of dust produced due to wear.
we came up with this solution after having a literature review to make titanium aluminum carbide brake pads which possesses excellent properties. These brake pads are manufactured by this Hotpoda Polymer which give overall better performance.
I thoroughly enjoyed this unique internship and I got lot of experience and skills which required to become successful in my career, and I gained a lot of knowledge through professional webinars.
I'm very happy being a part of this junior internship. I gained a more knowledge by listening the valuable wisdom from Abdul Wali sir and the professionals from different sectors. I learned how to do research on a preferred topic, and it is a good platform for the students to put out their creative ideas and to build their career.
Coming back to the precision of HUNAR, I have a very distinctive and confidential experience which makes us reveal the hidden skills inside us and helps to applicate the engineering knowledge in real life applications, and especially the sessions with the professionals were very exciting and igniting and knowledge empowered. So final thanks to our coach for making us win, and thanks to my co-partners in completing the internship successfully.
Sir, you're on mute, I guess, sir.
Sir, you are on mute, sir.
Yeah. So take a pencil, paper, and start giving marks for these teams. A, double A, now so far C and E. So there are marks for only 3 slots, 1, 2 and 3. If you are so happy with the presentation, with the project, 3. If it requires improvement, 1. Okay. So 1, 2 and 3. So far you watched A, double A, C and E. Are you ready? Shall I go for the next one?
Yes, sir.
So please bring all the students to the panel. So let me go and now I'm going to F.
Hi, I am Akila, second year I.
Can you see the video, please?
No, sir. No, sir.
No, sir.
Can you see now?
No, sir.
No, sir.
Hi, I am Akila, second year IT from
Sir, not visible, sir. Video.
Hi, I am Venu, second year mechanical from.
Okay.
I'm Bhavani, second year CSC from CMR Center. I'm Nikita, second year ECE from
CMRTC from JTHCJ.
1 minute. So these are the challenges with digital campuses. Resume.
Hi, I am Akila, second year IT.
Sir, not visible, sir. Hi, I am Venu, second year mechanical from VNR Vijay.
I am Bhavani, second year CSC from CMR Set.
I am Nikita, second year ECE from CMRTC.
Sir, not visible, sir.
Team F completed a digital internship 4.0 conducted by Huna in.
As a part of the internship, we completed a mini project by researching a problem from agricultural.
Okay, so let me start, then share.
Hi, I am Akila, second year IT from JNTHCJ.
Hi, I am Venu, second year mechanical.
Not visible, sir.
I am Bhavani, second year CSC.
So video is not playing, sir.
Sir, video is not playing.
Yeah. So I have a problem with this video, looks like.
You're sharing the screen, but video is not playing, sir.
I think video is not playing.
As a part of the internship, we completed a mini.
Who's
Yes,
this?
sir.
This is the E, right?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So let me go back again. Gas to device.
Hi, I am Akila.
So let me share now. Can you see now?
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir. Yes, sir.
Okay.
Second year IT from JNTHCJ.
Hi, I am Venu, second year mechanical from VNR Vijay.
I am Bhavani, second year CSC from CMR Set.
I am Nikita, second year ECE from CMRTC. We, the Team F, completed a digital internship 4.0 conducted by Huna Engineering Schools, which is led by our coach Abdul Wali sir.
As a part of the internship, we completed a mini project by researching a problem from agricultural sector where the field crops are damaged by birds and animals.
By our literature survey, we came across automation systems which are constructed for only single purpose, either to restrict birds or animals.
We came up with an idea using Raspberry Pi and OpenCV which can avoid both animals and birds from damaging the crops. And this is our final output of the research.
In this internship, we have interacted with many industrial specialists, which in turn helps us to create a roadmap for our goal.
We would like to thank our coach for giving us a wonderful opportunity to showcase our ideas and thoughts.
I'm very glad to have this digital internship and this very unique one I've ever had.
Thank you, Hunar.
Hello everyone, myself Akil. I am from VNR VJIT. Our project is based on refrigeration failures. The failures are leakage of refrigerant and wear and tear of compressor parts. To avoid this problem, we have designed a circuit which can detect the refrigerant leakage, and for evaporator coils, a relay which automatically shuts off the compressor and melts down the ice. And further continued by Nisar Ahmed. The scope of the companies take up this project are Blue Star, Godrej and Life's Good. This application can be used in refrigerators, water purifiers, ACs, etc. Thank you Huna and Abdullah Ali sir for giving this wonderful opportunity. We are from Team G.
So basically, Huna has enlightened us to do the project on smart locks by using IoT. Now we can actually solve the problems of encryptions and connectivity issues by using advanced methods which mainly focuses on these issues. So with guidelines of Abdul Wali sir and many other professionals, we could achieve our targets.
Hunar showcases the reality in the industries. It taught me to stay in the boundaries and do only what is needed, integrating with the team. Hunar has given me the consultation which I have failed to get from college regarding entrepreneurships and jobs. Hunar is really an impacting experience.
Automated braking system is a safety technology that activates vehicle brake system, but it failed in some cases even though it's using ultrasonic and IR sensors due to their malfunction. We came up with an idea of using Navitec radar to reduce the risk of automatic brake failures. Due to its high frequency, it can detect objects and pedestrians more effectively and reduce accidents. Thanks to Hunar for giving us guidance throughout our project. We from Team I thank you Abdul Wali sir for giving us knowledge throughout the internship.
Hi, we, a team of 3 working as intern at Hunar, wanted to present our project as a poster. A few buzzwords will listen very often like social media, abusive comments. These abusive comments or criticism have brought down the confidence of a person. Though we have a manual reporting system, it becomes tough when it comes to large data sets. So, we thought of implementing an automatic reporting system using machine learning, which in turn saves the time and manual effort. And thank Hunar for providing the internship opportunities for students.
Sir, you're on mute, sir.
Okay, now the poll is launched. It is
Sir,
up to.
panelists can't vote, sir. Sir, panelists
Hello?
can't vote, sir.
Panelists cannot vote, sir.
1 minute. So go back to become a non-panelist and you can come back again.
Okay.
Can you do
How
that?
to do that?
Again, you should make us panelists.
Co-host?
Sir?
Okay. 1 minute. Let me go to. Let me stop this. Hold. Stop sharing. Let me change the settings so that panelists can vote. Okay. A second. So be honest, okay? Polls. Yeah. So I think the best thing is log in and not log in. You can leave and join. Can you try that? 2 of you.
Okay, sir.
So what? So what we will do? We will be there as a attendee. After the polling, then we'll come back as a panelist.
Sir, co-host also.
Sir, then we'll see all the videos, no, sir.
Sorry.
Sir, first we'll see all the videos, then directly we'll go for polling.
Are you okay? That case, so you can make the marks. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Or-
Yes, sir. Okay, sir.
Okay then. That's nice idea. So let's go back to the other. So let's see K, right?
Yes, sir.
Guys, I'm from Team K. We are doing this on behalf of Hunar.
Sir, video is not visible.
Called
Video
is not available, sir. Not available. Railway Gate. In that, mainly Gate 1 is an updated version.
Sir, video is not visible. Sir.
Hi guys, I'm from Team K. We are doing this on behalf of Hunar.
Sir, video is not visible.
Sir, again it is not visible.
Railways. In that, we took Railway Gate. In that, mainly Gate 1 is an updated version that we are using right now. And then Gate 2, Gate 3 are used. They are uncontrollable. So we gave overall model here. And then when coming to my Hi guys, I'm from Team K. We are doing this on behalf of Hunar. We took a project called
It's not visible, sir.
Railway Gate. In that, mainly Gate 1 is an updated version.
Sir, you're on mute, sir.
Right now. And then Gate 2, Gate 3 are used as an obstacles to control
see
crowd
here,
at Railway Gate. Because this crowd is heavy, so they are uncontrollable. So we gave overall model here. And then when coming
Let me stop sharing. Share. So these are issues with Can you see
Hi
now?
guys, I'm from Team K. We are doing
No, sir.
on behalf
No, sir.
No.
No, sir.
No, sir.
New share. Let me say new share now.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay.
Hunar. We took a project called Indian Railways. In that, we took Railway Gate. In that, mainly Gate 1 is an updated version that we are using right now. And then Gate 2, Gate 3 are used as an obstacles to control crowd at Railway Gate. Because these days crowd is heavy, so they are uncontrollable. So we gave overall model here. And then when coming to my teammates, here Akhil, Uttam, Serena and Sai Teja. And I really thank Hunar for providing us this great opportunity. And I thank Abdul Wali sir for providing us this.
Hello everyone, this is Chandramouli, pursuing my bachelor's in mechanical engineering at CBIT Hyderabad, and I represent the team help in a Hunar digital internship program.
Our problem statement is the fluid leakage issue in the split air conditioning system, and we have concluded this problem by oldest customer review.
We found some US patents to resolve this issue, and we have made a little modification to it. That is, replacement of solenoid valve into the throttle body, so that we can avoid the usage of electricity.
We are from Team EM. We did an internship in Hunar Employability and Skill Lab. We did a mini project with the help of Hunar and coordination of Abdul Wali Syed sir. We did a mini project on Google Meet. In this video, you will learn about what are the problem statements we find out with the help of our team members and what are the solutions we given to you. Happy learning!
Problems in Google Meet. It is not possible to send private messages within Google Meet. Everyone can access the screen sharing option. There is no locking system in Google Meet. These are the user problems what we found.
Our team came up with a better solution for our mini project. The first one is creating an individual chat. With that we can chat privately with the persons in a meeting. It helps to provide the protection for the participants in a meeting. The second one is providing the screenshot option only for the host. It is because to avoid the inconvenience made by the participants in a meeting. there is other option requesting the host to enable the screen share option for the participants. So if any person wants to screen share the option, they need to request the host. So host can enable it. So the participants in a meeting also can be enabled to screen share the option. So these are the solutions we have found with our team, with the help of our team. I'm very happy being a part in Hunar. Thank you.
Happy joining Hunar internship because it's very nice and useful. I wish it will be established in every college and it is useful to every student and it will be established in every across the world. So I thank Mr. Abdul Wali sir, to arrange this wonderful internship to all students in the future also.
Hello everyone, I am Nicholas Sri Tirupati. In this Hunar Digital Internship Workshop of Industry 4.0, we have done a career goal setting, employability skills roadmap, and a project with the following problem statement.
Myself Dhanusha Tota. In any dashboards, a KPI plays major role, and here comes our prototype and the roadmap for successful BI strategy. Following above 11 steps, we can make easy and accurate dashboard. This is my first internship. I really thank Hunar for continuously inspiring us, and I just learned many things, sir. Thank you, sir.
In this Hunar, it has been a self-empowering journey for me. Thank you for giving this opportunity.
Hi friends, this is Sai Kirtana from Sri Venkateswara Engineering College, Tirupati.
Hi everyone, this is Dharma Sai. I am pursuing mechanical engineering from VNR VGIT. As a part of Hunar internship, we have selected a project on increasing image quality in firefighting robot. It is according to NCRB, it is estimated that more than 1.2 lakh deaths have occurred in India from the year 2010 to 2014. Our project is just simple. Replacing the robots with humans so that we can save the life of humans and increase the efficiency. There are many innovations in firefighting robots, but there is not even a single country which is fully automated. So there are many problems. So we have selected a problem on increasing image quality of the fire.
In order to solve this stated problem, we have 4 different kinds of techniques. Technique 1 is using MATLAB, Technique 2 is using LabVIEW, Technique 3 is using different kinds of sensors, Technique 4 is using remote control. Thanks for Hunar for providing this internship.
This video is made as part of Hunar's project competition. We just want to add a tagline here. Hunar, new beginnings, endless possibilities. Believe in the possibilities. We learn 2 things. Seek your dream, be your dream. Start here, go anywhere to achieve your dreams. We are Tilma, doing our graduation at Vienna VJIT in Mechanical Engineering. Our research is on development of paraffin and beeswax spacer fuel for hybrid rockets.
We use magnesium and additives such as low-density polyethylene to maintain uniformity.
This research will ultimately help us to resolve the fuel ratio efficiency of space-launched vehicles.
As a part of it, we did poster on our topic. Our research work is very interesting and happy that we are a part of it. Thank you.
As part of Hunar Intern, we did a project on data encryption. Nowadays, all our data resides on cloud. How secure is our data in cloud? How to encrypt our data? We can encrypt by using algorithms like AES and RSA. By encrypting, our data remains secure. Hacker fails as he doesn't know the key. This is our poster on AES data encryption. AES 192 and AES 256 are cracked. This is due to the weak key schedule. Our ideology is to make strong key schedule to AES, then AES will become more secure.
Hi, I'm Nishan.
I'm Lakshmanana from CVIT Hyderabad and I took internship from Hunar. It has been learning experience with founder and coach Dr. Syed has been nicest to us and helping us choosing our areas, making tremendous service projects and demonstration. We chose Tata Motors for our project and we found that there are defects in body panels. Solution is to adapt inline measurement robots and acoustic cameras in identifying minor faults before machine plates for zero error body.
We brought in 3 folks who have been successful in their own area, but we learned the diagnosis. With the help of them, we found out the perspective from us. We know all their advisors.
Mr. Abdul Ali Sayed.
People from Mark, great gratitude. Thank you, Mark.
Hello everyone, we are of team consisting 3 members. Right now, most self-driving cars are stumped by harsh weather, heavy rainfall, interference with sensors, and snow on ground makes it hard for vehicles to read lines on the road.
So guys, my friend explained you the problem statement. Now I'm going to say you the solution. So our solution is basically using the robot X5 so that the sensors are not able to detect the objects when they are covered with snow. So by using the robot X5 that cleans the snow and such that the sensors can work. So our basically the main idea for the self-driving cars weather conditions problem is this by using the robot X5. Thank you.
Why is the aeroplane facing difficulty in balancing? Overweight is one of the reasons. How could be in order to reduce the weight and cost by maintaining the utility and efficiency?
If you're looking for the weight reduction, then topology optimization and additive manufacturing is the answer. Both combination of this makes it happen. Let's see how it works in the gas turbine engine. Let us take a simple part that is Stockholm, and given the loading condition in the topology optimization, it gives the most efficient design.
Oh, wow.
As foundation is main for construction of building, likewise good internship is required for exposure to professional world. This could be possible through Hunar. So join Hunar and explore yourself.
Sir, you're on mute.
You are on mute, sir.
Oh,
You're
thank
on
you.
mute, sir.
Now, can you hear me?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so
Yes, sir.
how was it? How was it? Something is different, right?
Nice,
So,
sir.
so the moment
Yes, sir.
you see the commercial on the TV, you see how much they put effort to make it, right? And of course, we are not the models, we are not the
Yes.
photographers, and we are not the directors, right? It doesn't matter for us. But for us, the matter of fact, the subject is important, right? The subject is important, and the project, and what is the improvement we are doing. So now, I think you might have made some notes for you to whom to give some marks, what kind of marks, and maybe you can go back to as a attendee, and the moment I launch the poll, so let's select the best one. Okay, so you want to leave and join again? Thank you.
Yes, sir. That's the only way.
Yeah, I'm sorry. So it looks like panels cannot vote, something wrong with the Zoom, so they should be able to do it.
Sir, can you make us attendees so that we can vote, sir?
Yeah, you can, I think, leave the meeting and join the meeting. Yes, making 80 it will take time at least. Instead, just leave and join.
Sir, I think this rejoining doesn't work, sir.
Why?
I think our course.
Okay, I will end the meeting for all, then you can join. Okay. Okay. So I would like to share some of the highlights of this internship. So we have been looking for 250 students, and very interestingly, the intake was closed in 2 days. And there were many students who were looking for, but unfortunately we cannot handle. So I just kept for 250. You know, the elimination for the fittest, and about 20 colleges have been participated. And you had spent roughly 100 hours for this internship. And it took 6 weeks. Out of 250, now we are issuing certificates for only 78. Some of the highlights are you have done everyday task, and you have participated over 10 workshops, and you have explored your career choices, and you have executed a team project, and you have learned design thinking process, and you have presented and defended your ideas, and you have participated in a project poster and video competition, and finally you have defined your required employability skills. So these are the basic objectives and also goals of this internship. I think most of you have done excellent, and some of you could not do well because of time constraint, maybe internet issues and some other commitments. But overall, I'm very happy about this internship and also the quality of students. So we started with first industrial workshop on history of engineering. Then the second workshop from Mr. Suresh Kumar. And let's facilitate with him. Are you able to hear any voice? Hello?
We can hear you.
So thank you, Mr. Suresh Kumar, for your. Hello? Can you hear me?
Yes. We can hear you.
Can you hear me?
Yes.
Okay.
We can hear you.
Thank you, Suresh Kumar, for your support. We highly appreciate. And we had another workshop from Mr. V.S. Gopal, Professor Gopal from BITS. And thank you, Mr. Gopal. Again, for your support. Are you able to hear the noise? So let's appreciate. And next we have a workshop from Mr. Prasanna Kumar. And we had a workshop from Mr. Mohammed from US. Thank you, Mr. Mohammed Durrani, for your insight. And the next workshop from Mr. Gangadharia. Thank you, Mr. Gangadharia, for your time, valuable time. your support to Hunar and also the students. Another excellent workshop given by Mr. Srinivas. Thank you, Mr. Srinivas, for your insight and future career opportunities in ERP and PLM. Thank you so much. We really appreciate your time and support. And another interesting topic was given by Mr. Gopal again from Infosys. Thank you, Mr. Gopal, and support from Infosys. Highly appreciate your support to Hunar students, and also I hope Hunar students will get priority in recruitment at Infosys. Thank you, Bhavani Prasad, again for your excellent workshop on small software companies and how the students should prepare for the small software companies. Thank you so much. We really enjoyed your insight, and our students have really benefited from your insight. Thank you. And we had a wonderful panel discussion, young talent, and this was again one of the important topic for all of our students, how to choose their early career options. Thank you, Nazma, Farahat, and Aisha. Thank you so much. We look forward to working with you. Thank you, Aisha. And the final workshop again was a panel discussion from Mr. Gopal and Mr. Two Gopals and Srinivas. Thank you so much. Thank you so much. And I'm also thankful to my family and friends for supporting Hunar and Ahmad Sharif. Thank you, Ahmad Sharif. Thank you, Anwar, for your support to make it Hunar successful. And also thank you, Hasina, for your support to take Hunar forward and your hard work. And thank you, Sonu, for your support and hard work. And thank you, Ishan, for your support and hard work. And there are many, and especially I would like to thank my wife, my partner, to allow me to spare some time for most of you. I know many of you might be watching me texting in the midnight. It's only from the permission of my wife. Thank you from the Hunar. Okay, so we had the poll, and in fact now we are at the end of our graduation ceremony. I know this is not easy for most of you. Can you see the screen, please? Hello? A host? Co-host?
Yes, sir.
So let's congratulate our first graduate, Mr. Nitish Kumar, LS Prapu. Congratulations, Nitish, for your hard work. Okay, you have something to say? Co-host, can you allow all of them to talk one by one? Hello, Nitish? Are you there?
Yes, sir. Hello.
Okay, let's move on to Abdullah Sheikh. Abdullah Sheikh, congratulations. Team A. Sheikh Rasool. Preeti Kanchi. Okay, is anyone from Team A to speak up? Hello. Yeah, host, are you there? Can you bring someone from Team A to speak?
Good evening,
Hello.
sir. Hello. Good evening,
Quickly.
sir.
Yes.
First of all, thank you so much for giving us this
Good
opportunity,
evening.
sir.
Yeah.
Thank you so much for giving this valuable opportunity for us,
Nitish?
sir. Yes, sir. Thank you so much for giving this valuable opportunity for us, sir. Yes, sir. The journey with the owner is
Thank you.
really
Thank you, Nitish. Thank you so much. And I hope you enjoyed this training and you are taking very valuable information from industry mentors, very valuable information. Go ahead. Co-host, can you please bring everyone to the panel? Now, I think there is no voting, so we can bring, and please mute everyone. Sonu, can you please bring everyone to the panel so that they can speak?
Yes, sir.
So let's move on to the next graduate, Shruti Kedari. Congratulations. The next graduate, Odnala Sudeshna. Sudeshna. Congratulations, Sudeshna. Keep it up. Shashikumar Antadupula. Shashi Kumar. Congratulations, Shashi Kumar. Sony Yamasani. Congratulations, Sony. Shiva Kumar Reddy Devasani. Congratulations. Jayant M. Congratulations. D. Padho Others. D.J. Adarsh. Congratulations, Adarsh. And we have next Narvula Sai Kaushik. And we have Adil Sheikh. Thank you, Adil. Congratulations. And Adil has been very supportive for this and to make a Hunar a great success. Thank you, Adil. Busireddy Ashwan. Thank you, Busireddy. Congratulations. Panidarapu Nagasai. Congratulations, Nagasai. Congratulations to you. Next, we have Muhammad Affan Ali Siddiqui. Congratulations. Shivaratri Harish. Congratulations, Harish. All the best. Next, we have Anusha. Kulagam Anusha. Congratulations. I used to miss many times Anusha. I used to do Anusha Pulagama Anusha. Sorry, Anusha. Hopefully, I think you got the right name.
Anusha, sir.
So now we have Venu Tangalapalli. Congratulations, Venu. Nikita. Now we have Gumudi Shetty Bhavani. Congratulations, Bhavani. Akhila Mayana. Congratulations, Akhila. Next we have Akhil. Congratulations, Akhil. Next we have MD Nisar Ahmad. Congratulations, Nisar. Well done. Next we have Arif Sheikh. Congratulations, Arif. Thank you for your support to Hunar. You have been very useful and supportive. Thank you so much. We have Fayaz Ahmad Muhammad. Congratulations, Fire. Well done. Thank you again for the support. Shabila Begum. Congratulations. All the best. And we have Sriram, Aishwarya, Priya, Mautika. Congratulations. Sheikh Arifa. Congratulations, Arifa. So next we have Kandikunta Pavan Sai. Congratulations, Sai. All the best. So next we have MD Moin. Congratulations, Moin. Next we have Mohammad Mudassar Ghori. Congratulations. Congratulations. Sheikh Samina. Congratulations, Samina. Next we have Aisha Siddiqui. Congratulations, Aisha. Darhasa. You have 4 letters, Darhasa. 1, 2, 3, 4. It's easy for me to call Darhasa. Congratulations, Darhasa. So we have Serena Razam. Congratulations, Serena. Wonderful. Next we have Devalla Pravista Sai Teja. Congratulations, Sai Teja. Next we have Akhil Jai Chandra Reddy. Akhil Jai Chandra Reddy. Congratulations. Congratulations, Jai Chandra. The next, Nelapu Reddy Uttam Reddy. Congratulations, Uttam. The next we have Venkatasai Srinath K. Congratulations, Venkatasai Srinath. Congratulations. Palaki Vamshi. Congratulations, Vamshi. Chandramouli Gorepudi. Congratulations, Chandramouli.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much, sir.
Next we have Darsi Chandrasekhar. Congratulations, Darsi Chandrasekhar. Welcome. Yeah. So I have Anamala Umesh. Congratulations, Umesh. Now we have Aita Meera Venkatasai Sri Teja. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Long name, huh?
Yes, sir.
Sai Preeti Chintallapudi. And next we have Dhanusha Tota. Congratulations, Dhanusha. So we have Tirupati Nikhilashree. Tirupati Nikhilashree. Congratulations, Nikhila. A Sai Kirtana. Congratulations, Sai Kirtana. We have Singarapu Dharma Sai. Congratulations. And
Thank you, sir.
we have Pavan Kumar Tanniru. Okay. Khyati Priya Vallakati. Congratulations, Khyati Priya. We have Geeta Bogula. Congratulations, Geeta. And we have Pramod Kumar MR. Congratulations, Pramod. Venkatasai Venu Madhav Koya. Congratulations. Then we have Jayadeep. Congratulations, Jayadeep. Nagaraju
Thank you, sir, very
Ketavarapu.
much. Sir.
Congratulations, Nagaraju. We have Jayant G. Congratulations, Jayant. All the best. Then we have Pulluru Priyadarshini. Congratulations, Priyadarshini. Well done. We have Kishore Reddy Dwarampudi. Kishore, congratulations, Kishore. Then we have Shai Shruti Gaddam. Sorry, my Shai Shruti Gaddam. Congratulations. Then we have Likita. Likita, congratulations. Then we have Venu Nayak. Congratulations, Venu Nayak. All the best. Then we have Kasani Nishant. Congratulations, Nishant. Well done. Lakshmi Narayana Reddy Gurram. Congratulations, Lakshmi Narayana. All the best. Kaveti Upender. Congratulations, Upender. All the best. We have Tirupati Sai Neeraj. Congratulations and all the best, Tirupati Sai. Then we have Rapaka Vivek. Congratulations, Vivek. All the best. Harikotla Nitin. Congratulations, Nitin. All the best. Katari Teja Venkatas Srihari Verma. All the best. Congratulations, Srihari Verma. Gurram Pavan. Congratulations, Pavan. Well done. Repalle Rahul. Congratulations, Rahul. Well done. Now we have finally Amirishetty Pranita. Congratulations and all the best, and thank you, Pranita, for being a co-host for
Thank
many
you, sir.
times. I really appreciate.
Thank you, sir.
Tirumani Snehita. Thank you, Snehita. Again, Thank you so much for your
Thank you, sir.
being a co-host many times and
Thank you,
taking care. All the best.
Thank you, sir.
Then we have Deekonda Vijay. Again, Vijay, you have been very supportive.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you so much and all the best, Vijay.
Thank you very much,
Then
sir.
we have a Kukkadapu.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You're welcome. Kukkadapu Prithviraj Singh. Prithviraj Singh. Congratulations again and all the best. Sai Amruta Edukula. Sai Amruta, well done. Congratulations. And that is the end of our graduation ceremony, the list. I'm going to stop this share, and now you can show yourself, and it's open for discussion, and we'll close as soon as possible. Thank you so much. I really enjoyed with all of you, and I'm sure you too enjoyed, and this has been a different experience for you. And this whole program has been designed. It's not by fluke, it has been designed. And I was working on this concept for the last 2 years with MIT. And that is the reason why this is more exciting for all of you. And you might have attended many internships, digital internships I'm talking about. But I'm sure this has been different from other internships because it is designed. So it's based on the research model, now very popular in US, MIT, especially MIT. The employability skills are the crucial for engineers because society needs skills. Society requires engineers, good engineers. The whole civilization is driven by engineering. Medical evolution or medical research is driven by engineering. So engineers are at the forefront of the society. And getting just a certificate is not enough. Again, this is not the purpose. Celebrating getting a certificate is not the goal of Hunar. Celebrating your skill is the goal. I'm sure even you lose this certificate, you have the skills and you have the muscle memory. So this is what we are aiming for, and I am aiming for. Now your thinking will change after the internship. You will try to look everything practically now. You have to give the importance for theory, no doubt, but think practical. Think with your hands. So that is my slogan. Think with your hands. I really appreciate all your hard work. And so I'm going to design a level 2 for the students who are graduating now. Level 2 is based on project-based competency. And it's going to be more concentrated on hands, like prototyping testing. So we'll see how it goes. So I need some time to design this model, next level 2, and we'll see how many of you are interested. Meantime, I need to run one more internship after 1 month. encourage your friends to join, those who miss the internship. So if I do 2 internships, then I get sufficient students for the level 2. Because level 2 is going to be very hard. You have to work as a team for the level 2, and you need to have more skills: electrical, mechanical, electronics, CS. So you need more hands-on skills. Now, after the COVID situation, I think it's better to start. That is the reason I am just waiting, because you have to work together, not online. You have to meet. You have to meet and work together. You have to use your labs. See, you go to your labs only when you have lab experiments, right? No. So in the future, if you are doing any Hunar project, you have to spend more time in the lab than your classroom. Use all your lab equipment. I'm sure every engineering college has the lab. So you have to make use of it. So the level 2 will be designed based on your hands-on experience using your labs. So get used to what equipment you have in your labs, in your college. Take some training, get trained. Okay? Get trained on your lab equipment. Forget about your experiments, your course. You do parallelly, but you need more hands-on experience in your lab equipment. Get a list of your equipment in your every lab. Understand what is that. If you understand what is the equipment, what for it is used, then you can explore for the next projects. Whether it's going to be a sophomore project. So level 2 is going to be a sophomore project. Maybe you have to build a robot, a walking robot. Maybe you have to build some other signal system. So it will be a combination of your mechanical, electrical, electronics, computers. So it will be a hybrid model, level 2. Each one of you should understand each discipline. So try to understand your labs, your college labs. Not just electrical, not mechanical or electronic CS. As a whole, each one of you get familiar with other labs. What is there? If you are a mechanical, you look at electronics lab. What is there? How to make a PCB, right? How to make a small circuit. So how to do soldering, right? How a chip can be designed. If you are a CS discipline, think about how you can be useful for other departments. If a mechanical guy, how a CS student can be useful for the mechanical, so that mechanical guy can develop a different application. So work together. You have to work together. So that is going to be the level 2, and it's going to be very hard, because this is related to the societal engineering. Now you are going to design in level 2 a product which is not there. Level 2 is your new product. So for that you use the design thinking principle. It means you go to the customer, empathy. I'm really amazed to see your projects. Some of you are interested in agriculture, transportation, smart cities. So try to stick to your passion, because there are a lot of applications required in India, especially agriculture. So please focus on real problems. Focus on real problems. For that you have to go outside. You have to understand the problems. Even a small problem, if you design a solution for it, it could be very helpful for our farmers, for our mechanics, for our the daily wage workers. So look at the labor work. Can you really make a difference in their lives? Can you give something to a bus conductor, a bus driver, where he can be more comfortable? Can you give a small program, a app to a vegetable vendor where he can be more productive and he can sell more. Can you make a small app and give? So there are various applications you can think of. And you are in the right time. Okay, so I would like to stop here, and all the best, and keep in touch. And for the next digital internship, so tell your friends to join. Okay, tell your friends to join. Now these certificates, so I will make a password protected. I have to make password protected so that there is no plagiarism. Okay, then I will mail it to you. Okay, and I know, so you have to pay some 250 rupees as a Guru Dakshina. That's later. Okay, I will give you those details later. That's not important. So enjoy, relax, and stay safe. All the best, and I really miss you. Okay, and thank you so much.
Sir. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah, you can show your faces and finally say hi to everyone. I think we have everybody here. Yeah.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. You're welcome.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you. Thank you.
Thank you, sir.
Thank you.
Bye, sir. We miss you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
Serena
Sir,
Rajan.
we hope that
Where
second
are you?
internship
You're
starts
from
early, sir.
which place?
Thank you,
Serena.
sir, for the opportunity. It was great.
Okay, the Rajan. No, we are on a WhatsApp, right?
Yes, sir.
No, I have to design. See, I have to design the program. Right? I have to design the program. So that program, it takes some time. So I have a vacation now, this 1 month. So I'm going to design.
Okay, sir.
Okay, so now I need more students participate, right? So encourage your friends to join next internship so that we get a good motivated students like you. Okay, and enjoy your break. Complete the.
Thank you, sir.
I think 2-3 teams, they did not submit the video. Please submit the video. And some of you have done logbook just like that. Okay, so when you go for interview, you have a poster, you have the logbook, and you have a video as a evidence that you have taken the internship. Sorry?
Sir, which is the best poster, sir?
Hello, I missed.
Sir, you told you'll announce the best poster today.
Hello?
Best poster, sir. Best poster, sir. Poll results, sir.
Oh, best poster. Don't worry. Yeah. See, all the posters, all the projects are best, but you want the best, right? So I will tell you, I will send you a WhatsApp because I have to do analysis, right? I cannot simply take from your votes, right? So every post I take some time and give you my comments on each and every post, okay? Because that you have to carry as a Hunar's poster. So I don't want you to carry a poster where your skills are not done. So I need some time to comment on each and every poster. Okay, and as far as the competition, it is the competition, healthy competition. You participated, so you are all winners. Don't worry. Okay, you are all winners. Maybe 1, 2, 3 projects will come better because they have spent more time, right? You have seen that. You have seen those. Some they could not do. For example, I have the privilege to talk about Nitish, right? He is busy, very busy. That A team is very busy. They're just like that mate, right? So I cannot comment on them. If I comment them, it will upset them because they have a real talent, but they could not because of some situations, correct? So I'm not going to comment them. I'm going to only appreciate who really have put a lot of effort, because maybe they have taken their own time and they have done. So I'm going to appreciate them, no doubt. But at the same time, I'm not going to upset you because you did not do it. Okay, I understand that. But you understood the process. If I ask you to make another poster, another video, now you will make it better. Am I right or not? Yes?
Yes, sir.
You will make it better.
Yes, sir.
So anyway, I will share the results. That is okay. So results are shared. So what you see here, almost all the posters are 2, right? 1, 3, but the average is almost like 2, right? And some are maybe a little bit higher. So don't worry about it. But you participated in the competition. That is very important. Correct? That's important. And you can do better. No doubt about it. Right? And this is the beginning for you. Don't worry. This is the beginning. As you go on, level 2, level 3, level 4, you will be perfect. Yeah? So you will be perfect. Level 4. Now this is just the beginning. So don't worry. Looks like everyone has done good, but due to some time constraints, most of you did not do it. I understand that. But you have a motive. You have a motivation. That is very important. Right? Yes or no? Do you have motivation or no?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
I'm not hearing anything. Yes, sir. Yes. Motivation. Yes, or no?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
So did Hunar motivated you?
Yes. A lot,
That
sir.
is what I want
Yes,
to say.
sir.
So
Yes.
carry the motivation.
Sure, sir.
Carry the motivation.
Yes, sir.
Carry the motivation. Okay? And this is just the beginning. You are in second year, third year. So it's a great opportunity. Thank you. Thank you. Okay, and keep following Facebook. Keep following the Facebook and keep following WhatsApp group. Okay, I will mail you the certificates later. Once they are password protected, everything, then you'll get it. Okay.
Hello, sir.
Okay, see you. Bye bye. Take care.
Bye, sir.
And thank you, everyone. Okay.
Thank you,
So
sir.
miss you all.
Thank you, sir.
And take care. Don't go outside. Corona is too much.
Okay,
So be
Okay, sir.
be safe. Okay.
Yeah, sir. You too, sir.
Bye. Bye. Bye, everyone.
Bye, sir.
Bye, everyone. Take care.
Thank you, sir.
Bye.
That was kind of you, sir. Miss you.
Thank you. Thank you. Bye. Thank you.
Bye.
Oh, thank you. Thank you. So nice.
Miss you a lot, sir.